Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to open your computer browser and you can choose any browser that you want. Next, go to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. And once you're in the website, just click on login right here if you have an account, or you can sign up now if you don't have an account. So I'm just going to click on login because I already have an account. And as you can see, I already have my store set up. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your store from scratch. So I'm just going to create another store right here. And once you click on create a store or create another store, Shopify will lead you to this page right here that says let's get started, which of this best describes you. So just say that I'm just starting. If you're just starting an online business, or if you already have an online business, just click on right here. So in my case, I'm just starting right here. Then where would you like to sell? So pick as many as you like. You can always change these later. We'll make sure you're set up to sell in these places. So I'm just going to click on an online store because I want to set up my online store. And if you're selling in person, you can just click on that. Or if you have an existing website or blog, you can also click on that. Or if you have a social media store in Facebook or Instagram or TikTok and more, you can click on that. Or if you have an online market like eBay or Amazon, you can just click on that. Or if you're not sure, you can also click on that. So in my case, I'm just going to click on all of this, and I'm going to click on next. So which social channels do you want to sell on? So if you have a Facebook online store, you can click on that. If you have an Instagram, you can also click, and just so on and so forth, like that. So we will gonna click on next again. So which online marketplace do you want to sell on? So you can click on Google if you have, on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, or others. So it's all about preferences right here. And click on next. So what do you plan to sell first? So right here, if you make your products, you can click on here. If you have digital products to sell, like for example, you will sell on Etsy, you can click on here. And if you are drop shipping products, just click on here. If you have, or if you offer services like coaching, housekeeping, consulting, lawyers, like that, you can click on this. Or if you have a print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, caps, you can click on that, or you can decide later. So I'm just going to click on next again. So what would you like to name your store? So you can skip this for now if you're still working on it. So I'm just going to say like that. And next, just click on next right here if you've done that. So select the country or region that you're currently residing at. So I'm just going to click on Philippines because I'm from the Philippines and my store is from the Philippines. So click on next. So right here, choose an account to continue to Shopify. So I already have my Shopify account. So if you don't have an account, you can just click on sign up right wherever right here. If you don't have an account, the sign up button will show right here. So just click on that sign up button. But if you already have an account, just go to your account. So as you can see, Shopify is building my store. So I'm just going to wait for the process to finish. And as you can see right here, my store is now set up. So before you proceed, you will have to set a bunch of different things. So I'm just going to go to online store right here. And I'm going to select a theme for my store. So as you can see, the default theme for Shopify is Dawn. And you can also choose a bunch of different themes right here, or you can just go to the store, to the theme store if you want to browse over 80 free and paid professionally designed themes. So for this video's sake, I'm just gonna choose Dawn right here. And as you can see, it is still processing, so it may take a lot of time to process depending on your internet connection. And right here, I have now processed my theme. So you can personalize or customize the theme the way you want to. So just click on customize right here. wait for it to process. And now right here, the announcement bar. So the announcement bar is, you can just say welcome to our store or anything you want. So I'm just gonna leave this to welcome to our store. And you can also change the text alignment. You can put it on the left right here, or you can put it on the right, so it's up to you. So I like to put this on the center. And the color scheme, you can choose any background that you want. So you can choose this accent 1 right here, your accent 2, or you can choose a background like that. So it's all about preferences here again. So I'm just gonna select a black background because I'm going for a black colored theme for my store. And now that's it. So you can add another announcement right here if you want, but in my case, I already like the way my announcement is made. So next, go to header. So here under header, you can put your store name like that. So you can also add a logo on the header right here. Personally, I go to canva.com to make a logo. So you have a bunch of different presets right here. Just let me show you how. So under templates, you can just search for logo, and there you have it. You have a bunch of different logos. So for this video's sake, I'm just gonna search a cafe logo like that, or a coffee logo. So this one is very good. So you can also customize this theme. So the best thing about Canva is it is free to use, and you can customize their templates any way you want. So I'm just gonna add this one to the name of my store like that. You can also adjust that one the way you want to. So right there, I'm already satisfied on what I have made so far. I'm gonna share this one and download. So make sure the file type is PNG. So I'm gonna download all of this so I can put this on my store. So I'm just gonna put it to desktop right here, and now I'm gonna extract the zip file. So there you have it. I have already my 2 logos right here, and I'm gonna change this one. So desktop logo position, you can put this on the top left right here, or you can put this on the top center if you like, and you can also put it on the middle left. So it's all about preferences here again. So personally, I like it on the top center. And there you have it. We are done. Next you can scroll down from the desktop type menu. So you can have a mega menu if you want, like that, or you can have a drawer, that sticks right here. Personally, I like the drop down right here. And next is the sticky header. So the sticky headers, you can put it on none right here, or on scroll up. You can put it to always also, and you can put it to always, but in a reduced logo size. So personally, I like to just put this sticky header on scroll up. And then the color scheme, you can change it to whatever you want, or whatever accent color that you want right here. So personally, I like the white right here. So let's just leave it on that. On the menu, you can change this one. You can change menu, or you can remove the menu right here. So if you want to change menu right here, you can make it a footer menu right here. They can search for it, or you can just say a main menu. You can also create a menu right here for your shop. So you can add a menu item if you already have products to sell. You can also add a title like coffees, and you can add a menu right here. So you can also paste a link to the product that you're currently, if you are selling it on Etsy, or if you're selling it on Amazon or any website. So that's it. And next, you can also check this enable country or region selector if you like, and the language selector if you offer more than 1 languages for your products or for your store, and the mobile logo position. So you can put it on the left, or you can put it on the center. So personally, I always like my logo to be in the center. And the bottom margin, you can drag it to how many pixels that you like, or how many spacings that you like. And the selection padding, I'm just going to leave it to that. And I guess that's it for the header. And now let's go to templates. I'm just going to click on template right here. So this is the image banner. So first you want to select an image for your store. You can change this background right here. So let's select an image for my store. Let's upload an image, and let's go to the logo that we have made earlier in Canva. So I'm just going to open this one real quick. So wait for your upload to be finished like that. So I'm just going to click on done right here. And there you have it. My product is already, my logo is already in the image banner section. You can change the image overlay opacity, and you can change the banner height. So I'm just gonna put this to medium like that. And the desktop content position, you can put it on the top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. So it's all up to you. So, you can also check this one to show container on desktop, but personally I don't like that one because it will cover the beauty of the image you have. And next, you can also put animations like the behavior of the image. So you can just put ambient movement. So as you can see, it moves a little bit. Mobile layout, if someone will open this in a mobile, your mobile content alignment, you can put it to left, center, or right. It's all up to you. So just click on this if you want to stack images on mobile or show container on mobile. So I think that's it for image banners. So let's go to browse our latest products. So you can change this one to whatever you want. You can just say buy now, or you can just say whatever you want right here. And the heading size, I like to put it on large so that it will be very visible to read. And the buttons right here, you can just check on that. You can put on shop all right here. And the first button link, if they click this one, it will lead them to all the products. So you can put this whatever you like. And that's it. So let's go to featured selections. So under featured selections, these are the products that you are currently having, or the products that you currently featured. So what I want to do right here is to put the featured products, or you can just say products right here if you don't want to have those featured products on store right here. And next, the heading size, I like to put this to small. And the description, you can add anything you want from your products or the description of your products. You can also check the show collection description from the admin, so as you can see right there. And the description style, you can change it to body. You can also put the subtitle and the uppercase right here. And you can change this one to change collection, or you can also remove the collection that you want. So personally, I just like to put my collection right here, so once my customer will visit my shop, they have a glimpse of what I'm selling. And you can also put your best sellers right here if you want. And next, the view all style, you can just put a outline button right there if you want. You can also put a link if you want, but personally I want a solid button on my view all style. And the color scheme, it's self-explanatory. You can change the color of this product section right here, just to give an example like that. So as you can see, it changes the color, but I like to personally put this into a white background because I'm going for a black and white store. And next, under add a section, you can add a section right here. You can add a featured products again. You can add a collection list, a rich text, or an image with text, or an image banner, a slideshow, and etc. So you can just scroll on this real quick if you want. It's pretty much self-explanatory. You can also add a video of your product or an advertisement of your product if you have that one under right here. And next, let's go to footer. So under footer right here, this is where your customers will contact you. So under here on the color scheme, you just choose any color scheme that you want. And the email sign up, you can uncheck this if you like, but personally I like to check this so that my customers have the ability to contact me via email if they have problems or if they have concerns regarding a product or my store. So I'm just gonna put subscribe to emails right here. So basically they will put their email right here, and when they click on answer, they can contact me, they can sign up to my store, and like that. You can also show social media icons. You can also enable follow on shop. You can also enable country or region selector if you have those with you. And you can also enable language selector if you offer more than one language from your store. And you can also show payment icons. So right here, a PayPal payment icon is visible. And now policy links, you can show the store's policy links right there. And the spacing, you can just play with this real quick, whatever you want. The top margin, the section padding, like that, it moves right there. And now we are done. So you can also add a block right here. You can add a menu from the bottom, a brand information, a text, or an image. You can add your logo right here under image. And I think that's it. So once we are done, you can now save your store right here. And now changes have been saved, and I think that's it for this video. I believe I already cover all the basics on how to set up your Shopify store. And I do believe you find this helpful, and if you do find this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and please click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye everyone.